often with my sales reports that I get, I want to add month and year as values in those reports before I import it into my Access database. So I'll do that for the first entry. And then what you can do, so I'm going to highlight both of these, and I'm going to double left click in this bottom corner here. So the bottom right corner of that highlighted range. And as long as I have entries over here that let Excel know how far to go, I can just double left click and it's going to copy that down. Now note what it did. It turned that into a series. So January, February, March, April, May, June, 2023, 2024, etc. If I don't want that, I can come down here to the autofill options, click on that little arrow and change that to copy cells. And boom, January 2023 for all of the cells. And that goes down hundreds of rows. So it's a very easy way to copy values down if you already have enough of a data table for Excel to know where to go. And if you don't, you can left click and drag downward too. Again, it's going to try to turn this into a series. So when I'm done, I have to turn it into copy cells. But same concept.